Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to export and import Cura printing profiles. So basically what you'll need to do is go right here to this drop down menu, and what you'll need to do is basically go to custom settings. So click on show custom, and right here you'll see profiles. So click on the drop down menu, and then you'll see manage profiles. And right here, what you can do is select your custom profiles if you have, or the balanced ones. So I will select for this example my custom profile. So I'll select this Pilier Rosa. And if I want to export it, what I'll need to do is go and select my profile, then right click it on the on here. Sorry, not right click it, but click on this icon and click export. And now you'll get access to export your profile. And to import a profile, it is the same process, but what you'll need to do is click import, then select other profile, click open, and that's pretty much it. And right here, you'll be able to select your imported profile. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.